MacBook Pro M4 Max. Unboxing. Here it is, the MacBook Pro with the M4 Max chip. Let's unbox this beast and find out if it's worth it or not. We're looking at 36 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. Serious power for serious work. Lifting the lid, and there she is. That silver finish looks absolutely stunning. Apple really nailed the premium feel here. Inside the box, you get the MacBook, the charging cable, and the power adapter. Clean and minimal, as expected from Apple. The build quality is exceptional. That trackpad is massive, and the keyboard has a satisfying feel. Everything feels solid and premium. This is the 140-watt USB-C charger. Supports fast charging to get you back to full power quickly. And here's Apple Intelligence. AI features built right into Mac OS, writing tools, image generation, and a smarter Siri. Setting it up now, this M4 Max is going to be a productivity monster. Definitely worth every penny.